I used to suffer from a sense of being stuck and worrying about money and work all the time. Then I stumbled upon a straightforward visualization technique that claimed to show benefits in 3 days. Though cautious, I decided to give it a try. I had a clear mental image of myself being financially stable and getting promoted at work. After 3 days, I received a call from my supervisor offering me a new job with a big pay increase. Although it seemed magical, the power behind it was actually focused intention. My life was changed by this technique, and it can change yours as well. If you want to stay in the loop with the new videos, subscribing is a simple and free way to do that. We appreciate your support.
The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts and feelings shape our reality. When we focus on positive outcomes and truly believe in them, we can manifest them into our lives. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. By creating a clear mental image of what we desire, we send a strong signal to the universe about our intentions. To start, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax your mind and body. Now think about what you want to achieve. It could be a new job, a healthier lifestyle, or even a peaceful relationship. Picture it as vividly as possible, incorporating all your senses. Imagine yourself in that scenario. How do you feel? What do you see around you? What sounds can you hear? The more detailed your visualization, the stronger the signal you send. Feel the emotions as if you've already achieved your goal. This emotional connection is crucial as it aligns your energy with your desires. Consistency is key. Dedicate a few minutes each day to this practice. Morning and night are particularly effective times for visualization, as your mind is in a more receptive state. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset and energy, making you more open to opportunities that align with your goals. In addition to visualization, it's important to take inspired action. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking positively, it's also about recognizing and seizing opportunities that come your way. Pay attention to your intuition and act on those subtle nudges from the universe. While visualizing, affirmations can amplify the process. Positive statements like, "I am attracting success and abundance," or "I am worthy of love and happiness," help reprogram your subconscious mind. Repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce your intentions. It's normal to encounter doubts and negative thoughts. When this happens, gently redirect your focus back to your desired outcome. Remind yourself why you want it and how it will improve your life. This persistence helps to strengthen your belief and diminish resistance. Gratitude plays a significant role in manifestation. Be thankful for what you have and for what's coming your way. Gratitude raises your vibration and aligns you with the positive energy of the universe. Start a gratitude journal, or take a moment each day to reflect on your blessings. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage in activities that uplift your spirit and avoid negative influences. The energy you absorb from your environment can either support or hinder your manifestation efforts. Visualizing your goals and maintaining a positive outlook can bring rapid results. In just a few days, you might start to see signs of your desires materializing. These could be small coincidences or unexpected opportunities that align with your vision. Acknowledge these signs as confirmations that you're on the right path. Patience and persistence are essential. Not every goal will manifest overnight, but with consistent practice and unwavering belief, you can attract what you desire. Trust the process and stay committed to your vision. As you continue to apply these techniques, you'll notice an overall improvement in your mindset and well-being. The positive changes you experience will encourage you to keep going, creating a cycle of continuous growth and manifestation. And as you practice visualization, be mindful of the language you use, both in your thoughts and in your speech. Positive, empowering language reinforces your intentions and helps keep your energy aligned with your goals. And avoid phrases like "I can't" or "I don't have," and replace them with affirmations of abundance and capability. Another effective technique is creating a vision board. Gather images, words, and symbols that represent your goals and arrange them on a board where you can see them daily. This constant visual reminder keeps your desires at the forefront of your mind and helps maintain your focus and motivation. Meditation can complement your visualization practice. By quieting your mind, you create space for clarity and inspiration to flow. Spend a few minutes each day in meditation, focusing on your breath and allowing thoughts to pass without attachment. This practice helps you stay centered and open to receiving guidance. It's also beneficial to set clear, specific goals. Vague desires can lead to vague results. Define what you want in detail, including the time frame and any relevant specifics. Writing down your goals can make them feel more tangible and achievable. While visualization is a powerful tool, combining it with other manifestation techniques can amplify your results. Techniques like scripting, where you write out your ideal life as if it's already happening, can deepen your connection to your desires. This method engages your creativity and emotions, further aligning your energy with your goals. Stay open to the possibility that your desires might manifest in unexpected ways. Sometimes the universe has a better plan than we can imagine. Trust that what unfolds is for your highest good, even if it looks different from what you initially envisioned. Regularly check in with yourself to ensure your desires align with your core values and true intentions. Sometimes we think we want something because of external influences, but it's essential to pursue goals that resonate deeply with who we are. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step forward is a sign that you're moving closer to your goal. Recognizing and appreciating these milestones keeps your motivation high and reinforces your belief in the process. Another key aspect is maintaining a positive attitude. Challenges and setbacks are part of life, but how you respond to them determines your overall success. View obstacles as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as insurmountable barriers. Keep your energy high by taking care of your physical and emotional well-being. Exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient rest are crucial for maintaining the vitality needed to pursue your goals. Additionally, engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation to keep your spirits uplifted. Visualizing your goals is not about escaping reality, but about creating a new reality. It requires balancing your dreams with practical actions. Stay grounded while reaching for the stars and take consistent steps toward your objectives. Develop a morning routine that includes visualization and affirmations. Starting your day with a clear focus sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. This practice can help you stay aligned with your intentions despite daily distractions. As you continue to visualize and work towards your goals, you might notice a shift in your overall mindset. You may find yourself becoming more optimistic, resilient, and proactive. These changes are indicators of your growing alignment with your desired reality. It's important to stay flexible and adaptable. Life is dynamic, and so are our goals. Be willing to adjust your plans as new information and opportunities arise. This adaptability ensures you remain on the path to your highest potential. Maintaining a gratitude practice can significantly enhance your manifestation efforts. Each day, take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate what you already have. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, attracting more positive experiences into your life. Visualization works best when it becomes a habit. Make it a regular part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. The more you practice, the more natural and effective it will become, seamlessly incorporating into your life. Document your journey. Keeping a journal of your experiences, thoughts, and progress can provide valuable insights and help track your growth. This reflection allows you to see patterns and celebrate how far you've come. Engage in self-reflection to understand any limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Once identified, work on transforming these beliefs into positive affirmations that support your goals. This internal shift is crucial for long-term success. Pay attention to your feelings and intuition. Your emotions are powerful indicators of your alignment with your desires. When you feel good, you're on the right track. If negative emotions arise, take it as a signal to reassess and realign your thoughts. Recall that patience and persistence are vital. Manifestation is not always instantaneous, but each step you take brings you closer to your goal. Trust the process and keep your faith strong, knowing that your efforts will pay off. Engage in activities that expand your mind and inspire creativity. Whether it's reading, exploring new hobbies, or learning new skills, these activities can provide fresh perspectives and enhance your manifestation journey. Stay focused on your vision, but also be open to life's spontaneity. Sometimes unexpected opportunities lead to outcomes even better than you imagined. Accept the adventure of your manifestation journey with a sense of wonder and excitement. Reflect on your experiences regularly. This reflection helps you recognize what works well and what needs adjustment. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to refining your approach and achieving your desired outcomes. Another valuable aspect of visualization is to visualize not just the end goal, but also the process of getting there. See yourself taking the necessary steps, overcoming challenges, and feeling proud of your progress. This approach makes the journey feel more achievable and less daunting. Maintaining a journal of your visualization sessions can be incredibly beneficial. Write down your goals, describe your visualizations in detail, and note any insights or feelings that arise during the piece. This practice reinforces your intentions and provides a tangible record of your progress. Connecting your visualization practice to your daily routines can make it more effective. For instance, while performing mundane tasks like brushing your teeth or commuting, take a moment to mentally picture your goals. These small, consistent efforts add up over time. Engage your senses fully during visualization. Imagine the sights, sounds, smells, and even the physical sensations associated with your desired outcome. This sensory involvement creates a more immersive and convincing experience, strengthening your belief in its possibility. It's important to stay aware of your self-talk throughout the day. Positive, supportive inner dialogue can keep you aligned with your goals, while negative self-talk can undermine your efforts. Practice redirecting any negative thoughts towards more constructive and empowering ones. Taking inspired action means being proactive and open to opportunities that align with your goals. This doesn't mean forcing outcomes, but rather being receptive and ready to act when opportunities present themselves. Balance your visualization practice with realistic expectations. While aiming high is important, it's also crucial to remain grounded and realistic about what can be achieved within a given time frame. This balance helps prevent frustration and maintains motivation. Visualize yourself already living your desired life. This technique can help bridge the gap between your current reality and your goals, making the transition smoother and more natural. Regularly update your vision board or visualization practices to reflect any changes in your goals or desires. This keeps your practice fresh and relevant, ensuring that it continues to inspire and motivate you. Incorporate moments of stillness into your day where you can reflect on your goals without distraction. These quiet moments can provide clarity and reinforce your intentions, helping you stay focused on your path. Share your successes and insights with others who support your journey. This sharing not only reinforces your commitment, but can also inspire and motivate others to pursue their own goals. Be mindful of the energy you project in your interactions with others. Positive energy attracts positivity, so strive to radiate optimism and enthusiasm in all your dealings. Allow yourself to dream big, but also break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Achieving these smaller milestones can build momentum and keep you motivated towards your ultimate vision. Visualizing outcomes and processes is important, but equally crucial is visualizing yourself as the person who achieves these goals. See yourself embodying the qualities and traits necessary for success, such as confidence, perseverance, and resilience. Keep a list of affirmations and positive statements that resonate with your goals. Review this list daily to reinforce your intentions and keep your mindset aligned with your desires. Always try to be kind and patient with yourself throughout the process. Personal growth and goal achievement are ongoing journeys that require compassion and understanding. Stay open to feedback and be willing to adjust your approach as needed. Flexibility and adaptability are key to navigating the ups and downs of the manifestation process. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each success is a step forward and a testament to your dedication and effort. Incorporate practices that help you stay grounded and centered, such as yoga, tai chi, or spending time in nature. These activities can enhance your overall well-being and support your visualization efforts. Visualization is not a one-time event, but an ongoing practice. Commit to it as a daily habit, and over time, you'll likely see significant shifts in your mindset, energy, and reality.
Visualization can truly change lives when practiced consistently. Imagine the possibilities when focusing on goals with clear intent and unwavering belief. Give this method a try for just a few days and notice the shifts that begin to occur. If this approach resonates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insights and techniques that can help manifest dreams into reality. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from these powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and keep visualizing a brighter future.